What if I told you that right now there are faceless finance YouTube channels pulling in millions of views every single month without showing their face, without recording videos manually, and without hiring editors? And here's the craziest part. Most of these channels are not using fancy animations, expensive stock footage, or complicated software at all. They're using simple stick figures. Yes, basic stick figure style visuals. And those simple videos are absolutely dominating the finance niche. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create unlimited AI finance videos in bulk using a powerful automation workflow with Whisk and Notebooklm. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a high RPM finance channel, create content in bulk, and run the entire process almost on autopilot. Now, before we jump in, let me quickly set the context. If you look at some of the fastest growing finance channels right now, you'll notice something interesting. They're all gaining massive traction in personal finance, money psychology, investing, and wealth mindset content. And one thing is common across all of them. They use stick figure storytelling. Why does this work so well? Because finance content is not about visuals, it's about ideas, clarity, and relatability. Stick figures remove distraction and force viewers to focus on the message, and that's exactly why YouTube's algorithm loves this format. Today, we are going to clone this exact strategy ethically and smartly using AI. Let's start by setting up the foundation of the channel. The very first thing you need is a channel name. If you don't already have one in mind, simply open ChatGPT and ask it to give you 10 unique channel name ideas in the finance niche. You'll instantly get a list of clean, brand-ready names. Pick the one that feels right for you. If you already have a channel name, you can skip this part and move forward. Once the name is finalized, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a logo prompt specifically for that channel name. Copy the logo prompt. Now open Google Whisk AI. Paste the logo prompt, choose a 1:1 aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Whisk will give you multiple logo options. Choose the one that matches your finance brand and download the logo. Next, we need the channel banner. Go back to ChatGPT and ask for a channel art prompt for your finance YouTube channel. Copy that prompt, return to Whisk AI, select a 16:9 aspect ratio, generate the images, and download the banner you like. At this point, your channel branding is completely done. Logo, banner, and niche clarity all finished within minutes. Now let's move into the real power section, finding viral video topics. For this, we'll use Notebooklm. Open Notebooklm and create a new notebook. Now paste the YouTube channel links from successful finance creators that we observed earlier. These are the channels already pulling millions of views. Insert the resources. Once that's done, open the chat inside Notebooklm and ask it to generate 10 high-potential video ideas based on those channels. Notebooklm analyzes patterns, content themes, and audience psychology. You'll get highly relevant, proven video ideas instead of random guesses. Choose one topic that stands out, something emotional, relatable, and curiosity-driven. Now, in the same chat, paste that topic and ask for a compelling, relatable finance script designed for a general US audience. Once you get the script prompt, copy it. Now open GenSpark AI. Paste the prompt and generate the script. What you'll get is a highly engaging, emotionally driven finance story that's perfect for narration. Now it's time to turn that script into a professional voiceover. Open Google AI Studio. Choose the option to turn text into audio using Gemini. Select single speaker audio. Paste the entire script. Adjust the style instructions based on the topic. For example, calm, confident, motivational, or authoritative. From the voice list, select the voice you like. For this workflow, the voice Puck works extremely well for finance narration. Hit run, listen to the preview.
Picture this. You're driving home from work on a Tuesday evening when suddenly, bang, your check engine light comes on. You pull over, heart racing. The mechanic's verdict? $800 in repairs, needed immediately. Now here's the million-dollar question. Do you feel a mild inconvenience or pure panic?
And if the audio sounds good, download it to your computer. Now we have the voiceover ready. Next, we need image prompts for the stick figure visuals. Copy the full script again and go back to GenSpark AI. Paste the script and use a prompt that asks GenSpark to generate image prompts for every line of the script in a consistent stick figure storytelling style. GenSpark will generate detailed image prompts aligned perfectly with the narration. Now continue in the same chat and ask it to extract only the image prompts into a TXT format in the exact same sequence. Copy all those prompts. Now comes the automation magic. Install the Auto Whisk AI extension in your Google Chrome browser and pin it. Open the extension, paste all the image prompts, add your subject reference image if required, choose the aspect ratio based on your video format. Now hit the Run button. Auto Whisk AI will automatically generate all the images in bulk and download them to your computer without manual work. This is how you scale content creation. Once all images are generated, it's time to assemble the video. Open your preferred video editor. I personally use Canva because it's fast and beginner-friendly. Upload all the generated images, upload the audio file, arrange the images in sequence and align them with the voiceover timing. Make smooth transitions, keep visuals simple, and let the narration do the heavy lifting. Once everything looks good, click Share, then Download. Make sure you export the video as an MP4 file. Now watch the final video once to ensure everything flows naturally.
Picture this. You're driving home from work on a Tuesday evening when suddenly, bang, your check engine light comes on. You pull over, heart racing. The mechanic's verdict? $800 in repairs, needed immediately. Now here's the million-dollar question. Do you feel a mild inconvenience or pure panic?
At this stage, your finance video is completely ready. Now let's create the thumbnail. Go back to GenSpark AI and ask it to generate a high CTR thumbnail prompt for this video. Copy that prompt, open Google Whisk AI again, paste the prompt, and make sure you include a reference subject image, otherwise Whisk may generate random visuals. Generate the thumbnail. Download the best one. Finally, we need the title and description. Go back to GenSpark and ask it to generate 10 click-worthy YouTube titles for this finance video. Pick the one that triggers curiosity and emotion. Then ask GenSpark to write an SEO-friendly description for the same video. At this point, everything is done. Video ready, thumbnail ready, title ready, description ready. All that's left is to upload. And when you follow this exact blueprint consistently, you're not just making one video, you're building a scalable finance content machine. This is how creators are launching multiple high RPM finance channels in bulk, without burnout, without showing their face, and without expensive tools. If you found this strategy valuable, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More advanced AI automation blueprints are coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.